Hello, my name is Samantha and I'm a clinical trainer for Strydom UK. Today we're going to be talking all about the Acryos. On the Acryos we have a few different treatment programs that we can do. We can treat the face or we can treat the body. Today we're going to be treating the body, we're going to be treating the abdomen. So if we click into that, we're going to click into thermal shock. What we're trying to achieve with this machine is to send shock waves through the fat cells. So we're going to shock them using cold and we're going to shock them using heat. Total body, we have the slim cycle, which is going to be for your fat loss and tightening. We have cellulite, we've got draining, so post-surgical draining or lymphatic drainage, and then we have toning for the people who want to just focus on toning their muscles. All right, today we're going to be doing the slim cycle. This treatment will last for 60 minutes. I'm now going to be applying the Meso Slim gel onto the skin. This is going to help act as a conductor for our electrodes, and it's going to protect the skin from the extreme cold and the extreme heat that we're going to be experiencing. We have successfully positioned our electrodes and we have put in the cycle numbers we want to do today and the duration of the time that we're going to be treating for. So we make sure that our temperatures are correct. We want our electrodes to be going down to -1 degrees for hypothermia effect. And we make sure that it's going up to 40 degrees for our hypothermia effect. As you can see, the electrodes with the green lights are our cooling handpieces, and they are cooling the fat cells down to 0-1 degrees. The ones that are red are heating up the fat cells to 40 degrees. This will interchange between them. So what we're doing is we're rapidly cooling the fat cells and then rapidly heating them up immediately afterwards. Now that the treatment has been completed, we will now remove the pads and give them a clean. Now that we're finished, we're just going to give our pads a clean. Important to clean between each and every patient, and we're just going to use our standard clinical wipes. Very, very easy to clean.